How are you today? Are you feeling good or not? I hope you're feeling good. Okay, class, may I request everyone to please stand up for our prayer. Angel of God, my guardian dear, to whom God's love commits me here. Ever this day, be at my side, to light and guide, to rule and guide. Amen. Okay, class, does anybody here with me today? Okay, very good, class. Okay, class, before we proceed to our lesson or discussion, allow me to introduce you our classroom rules. First, when the teacher is talking, the children should always listen. Second, pick up your waist. Third, always listen and keep quiet. Okay, children? Okay, class, who among you here can still remember about our topic yesterday? Okay, very good, children. Our topic yesterday is all about counting numbers. Very good, children. Okay, class, before we proceed to our lesson, let us sing and dance. Okay, children? Okay, very good. Our song for today is called Community Helpers. Firefighter, firefighter, teacher, teacher, nurse, police, doctor, nurse, police, doctor, our helpers, our helpers. Firefighter, firefighter, teacher, teacher, nurse, police, doctor, nurse, police, doctor, our helpers, our helpers. Okay, class, did you enjoy our song for today? Very good, children. Okay, class. Teacher Anjanette will continue our class for today.
Hello kids, I am teacher, and so based on the song that we have sung earlier, what were mentioned there? Very good, it's the police, the teacher, the nurse, the doctor, and the firefighter. So the police, the teacher, the doctor, the nurse, and the firefighter they are what? Very good, they are the community helpers. And what do you think the community helpers mean? Yes, very good. The community helpers are the people who serve, work, and help in our community. What is community helpers again? Very good. So, what community helper is this? Very good. It's the teacher. And what do you think the teacher do in our community? Yes, very good. The teacher teaches students in school. They also impart knowledge and skills to the student. How about this? What community helper is this? Very good. It's the police officer. And what do you think the police officer do in our community? Yes, the police officer enforces law and keeps in order. They also keeps us safe. And the third one, what community helper is this? Very good, it's the firefighter. And what do you think the firefighter do in our community? Yes, exactly. The firefighter puts out fires and also saves lives. And the fourth one, what is this? Very good. It's the doctor. And what do you think the doctor do in our community? Very good. The doctor saves lives, treats illness, and takes care of sick people. And lastly, what community helper is this? Very good. It's the nurse. And what do you think the nurse do in our community? Yes, exactly. The nurse also treat illnesses and assist the doctors in operating. What are those community helpers again? Very good. It's the police, the teacher, the firefighter, the doctor, and the nurse. Very good, children. Good job. And Teacher Mar will continue our lesson today. She will give you an activity.
Hello kids! By the way, I am Teacher Mar. Are you ready for our activity for today? Okay, our activity for today is called charade. I have here a bowl. Inside this bowl, there are different community helpers' names. And what I'm going to do is to pick one community helper's name and I will act it out without saying any words. And then you should act with me too. Okay? And try to guess what community helpers is that. Did you understand, children? Okay. What community helpers is this? Okay, very good. It is a firefighter. Very good. What community helpers is that? Okay, very good. It's a teacher. What community helpers is that? Okay, very good. It may be the doctor or the nurse. What community helpers is that? Okay, very good. It's a police officer. Did you enjoy our activity, children? Okay, very good. Okay, class. Again, what was our lesson all about? Okay, very good. It's all about the community helpers. And again, what are those community helpers? Okay, very good. The teacher, the firefighter, the police officer, the nurse, and the doctor. Okay, very good. Who is this community helpers that teaches the children? Okay, very good. It's a teacher. How about the community helpers that catches the criminal? Yes, it's a police officer. How about the community helpers that treat the patient illnesses? Yes, the doctor. And what community helpers that keeps the people from fire? Yes, very good. It's a firefighter. Who is this community helpers that assist the doctor? Yes, it's a nurse. Do you think the community helpers are important? Yes. Why does the community helpers are important? Yes, very good. It is important because they are the one who serve, help in our community. Because of that, you deserve to have a good job applause. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good job, good job, good job. And Teacher Kathy will give another activity.
Hello kids, I am your teacher Kathy, and for your last activity is identify the different community helpers and choose the correct answer. Do you understand, class? Very good. Okay, let's start. Number 1. What is the following community helpers that teaches the children? A. Teacher. B. Firefighter, C. Doctor, or D. Nurse? What is the correct answer? Very good. Letter A. The teacher. Number 2. What is the following community helpers that keeps the people from fire? A. Teacher. B. Firefighter. C. Nurse, or D. Doctor? What is the correct answer? Very good. Letter B. Firefighter. Number 3. What is the following community helpers that catches the criminals? A. Firefighter. B. Nurse. C. Police officer, or D. Teacher? What is the correct answer? Very good. Letter C. Police officer. Number 4. What is the following community helpers that assist the doctor when operating? Letter A. Nurse. B. Doctor. C. Teacher, or D. Firefighter? What is the correct answer? Very good. Letter A. Nurse. Last, number 5. What is the following community helpers that treats the patient's illnesses? A. Nurse. B. Doctor. C. Teacher, or D. Firefighter? What is the correct answer? Very good. Letter B. Doctor. Very good, children. Good job. For your assignment, look for a picture and cut out pictures of other different community helpers and paste it in your activity notebook. Do you understand, class? Very good. And that's all for today, kids. I hope you learned something today.
Again, I am your teacher, Jasan.
And I am your teacher, Ange.
And I am Teacher Mar.
And I am teacher Kathy.
Your teachers. Goodbye.